Imagine, this is what I look like today. Let's try and set it out so it's kind of easy to understand and quick to go through. We're in the fridge right now, getting the snacks.
That's what the baby says when the baby is delivered.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to the vlog. It's like 9:30 now and I woke up about 45 minutes ago, but I hate waking up. I'm so tired this morning. So I thought, let me start vlogging because there's lots of fun things that's going on today. Not that anyone cares, but I'm not hungry, so I'm not gonna have my breakfast yet. I'm just gonna eat when I'm hungry. Basically, we've just started our obs and gynae rotation, and obs and gynae is basically reproductive health or women's health. I'm not gonna lie, I'm really excited because you get to see babies and pregnant women, and it's just so wholesome. And obviously there are good and bad things with pregnancies and stuff, but what I realized is there's so much to learn. Like, when I mean so much, in my last book there was barely anything, and this one is like a million times more, so I need to like get on it this morning. So if anybody cares, this is where I work, and I got this little like laptop stand so that I don't really hurt my neck or anything when I'm working. But I thought I'd do a quick like run through about how I kind of do stuff on Notion more specifically. So basically this is like what the homepage kind of looks like for obs and gynae. It looks a bit boring, but it kind of develops over the time. Like, there's no point making it look pretty because what's the point? These are the things that we need to cover, and there's a lot of kind of things underneath it, and I've kind of put the ones with the most subtopics in capital letters to let me know that, look, I need to know all of this. And antenatal care, there's just so much. So it's kind of like an alert for me to like say, okay, there's a lot here, so I need to get loads done. So this is kind of what it looks like. So if I show you one of the pages, this is something I did yesterday. Ectopic pregnancy. I kind of put an emoji to try and represent what it is. So this kind of reminds me of a fallopian tube, like the saxophone, because it's kind of bendy. And I basically write questions and stuff. So it's nothing really exciting. And I kind of try and set it out so it's kind of easy to understand and quick to go through. So I think at the end of the week, I'll go through some of the things that I've done this week as well. So basically I've just created this table here. I've never really done this before, and it's got each of the topics. So like I said before, the ones in caps lock are like the really big topics, and just here's like a key telling me if I'm done, in progress or incomplete. And right now I'm gonna start antenatal care, so just gonna change it to that. So now I know this week I'm working on this. I think I've done like my morning shift of work, and I'm not even kidding, I was like falling asleep. I don't know why I'm so tired today. I think from dance yesterday, it really just hit home. So I thought before I wash my hair, I'll quickly practice some dance, because the captain messaged me. She was like, can you practice one of the dances, which I actually needed to do anyway because I was messing up so much. So I'm gonna quickly make sure I've got the steps in my head. Imagine, this is what I look like today. I'm gonna do my dancing like this. Looking good, Gaya, today. God, this hair really needs a wash, it's so greasy. Unfortunately, I can't film any of the dance stuff, really, because I don't want to give anything away before our performance, the show, which is happening on the 4th of December, and I'm really excited. Hi guys, I'm all basically ready to go. I'm in these scrubs. I washed my hair. It looks a bit funny because I'm just letting it dry like this. Basically, I need to have lunch. So I'm so hungry that I can't actually talk. So actually, I'll put this in my...
Hello everybody.
Hi.
Wait, Helen and Nina, do you want to be in the vlog? Basically we're going into the... Oh my God, I just realised there's a minute behind us. I'm a bit shy now. We're going into the RKSB building and we're doing... RKCSB, I pronounce it wrong every time. And we're doing obs and gynae clinical skills today. It's very exciting.
Let's go in whilst it's open.
Around the head.
Okay, so you're doing it this way.
So, like this. 3 fingers.
Hello.
Hello.
Sing your song. I'm coming out, so you better get this party started. That's what the baby says when the baby is delivered.
When it comes through the pelvic cavity and after it's done all of its external rotation, bending.
You cold.
My nose is so red.
What was the highlight of our clinical skills session today? I couldn't film much, so I'm sorry. You got 2-second clips of everything.
I think the highlight was palpating abdomen.
Yeah, that was cute. And listening to the fetal heart sounds.
Yeah, that was really
so
cute.
hopefully we can do that on placement.
On a plastic woman,
yeah, it
not
wasn't
on a
real,
baby.
unfortunately. Yeah.
Alas. And I really like the speculum. I really enjoyed that.
I didn't like that because I didn't know which hand to do it with because I'm left-handed and then it was getting a bit confused. I think I've decided I'm going to do it on right hand now.
Yeah,
so.
just in the right hand.
Yeah, so more obs and gynae coming soon.
Yeah.
We just got back. We did loads of examinations. I think it's probably the best clinical skills session. Like, we all agreed it was like really fun, because we listened to the baby's heart. Like, this is on a model, by the way, baby's heart. We like felt around for like the top of the uterus because it's called the fundus, and the bottom, feeling the position of the baby. So it's pretty fun. And I think because we've learned this, we can try and examine on real patients as well. So that'd be really cool. But right now, what was I going to say? I've got to tutor for about an hour, and then I have dance from 6 to 9 p.m, I'm guessing. So I'm just going to like pack my clothes for dance. Basically today we're doing like loads of costume changes. So we've been sent a list of t-shirts and leggings and jogging bottoms to wear, so we can wear it on top and practice getting out and getting into clothes. I think we're doing loads of run-throughs as well, so it's going to be pretty intense. I'm going to make myself a cup of tea and eat something before I go. I've got like 3 minutes to make a cup of tea, switch on my laptop before this class starts. I just realised the water didn't even boil. What's the point? Hello, you okay? Oh, hi. Didn't see you there. We're in the fridge right now, getting the snacks. Why is there... I can't even access my snacks because there's so much pasta here. So much tagliatelle. I'm gonna get an apple. Basically, we have dance right now. I'm gonna leave in a few minutes. I'm getting my snacks. I'm wearing my... Can you see this? My hoodie. We've got like a Team Leicester dance hoodie as well. And we basically got loads of prep to do today, so I think it's gonna be a busy one. So I'm gonna see you at dance.
You're not allowed to say that because you've got to be respectful.
Who the hell do you think you are? I know, I was gonna put you in my vlog, but you were saying mean things about me, so I'm not going to put you in my vlog. Bye everyone, I'm going to dance. Oh, Helen's not happy because I'm leaving her. Okay, I actually need to go now, I'm running late. Bye guys. Just lit this £3 candle because my room smells a bit weird. I don't know why. I think it just smells of food or tea. Oh, it might smell of tea. It's like 10:30 now. I've just come back from dance and I'm gonna have a stir fry that Helen made me. I couldn't really film dance because, not gonna lie, today everyone was a bit stressed, so I didn't want to like walk in there and be like, hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and everyone come in. So maybe we can do more happier, less stressful dance vlog. But the reason was because we were trying to like get our formations and everything right. So now I'm gonna have dinner and then get ready for bed. I'm now eating Helen's yummy stir fry that she made me because basically on Friday I think she had my pasta, so we thought we'd exchange meals. So I'm gonna sit here. I'm watching Netflix right now. This bangs. Oh my god, it's so good. I don't know what's got into me. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna leave the dishes here because I can't bother to do it now. I just spent about 20 minutes watching TikToks and making TikToks as if I'm gonna become TikTok famous. So if you wanna follow me, let me know. You know, since I last did the video of me saying I've been on TikTok, I'm still on TikTok. It's been like an hour and I'm still in my dance clothes. I need to like have a shower and get changed, so I'm gonna do that now. I'm also going to end the vlog here. It might have been a bit of a random one, but I hope you guys still enjoyed it anyway. I wasn't able to film as much as I wanted to just because I didn't think it was right at the time to film, because I feel like things are happening too fast and I was just very busy. But I hope it's a little insight into what you can do, the fact that it's possible to balance a lot of things if you just
force yourself to dedicate some time to doing work. It is knackering if you have a really full day like I did, especially with the dance competition coming up, but it is rewarding, so no regrets, because I know that when I'm an F1, I don't know if I'll have time to do Bollywood dance, who knows, so we'll see. Definitely going to try and upload a little bit more, and I'll see you in the next one.